sai ko de ko estila projet ko kita fa ban wo ke mo nyaade wo flol be nyaade
what was 2018 ko di ka understand what was 2018 ko di 2018 ko di ka understand kabini jisul nata la scope fest ale ake
ya ndo be diam kambenna eko mbadu ngaje jani ke mix ndo be diam kambenna eko estimam play jisul la somen data Sénégal ntel be won sole la be diam ka wole la so ko la ni ka ale polo ke ni ka wole
am ko tala ferem bo am ko tabo ko lo biye
okay sign that's not the
I full chance to the
time bemella ha estiko I disul invite ko konde ko ima invite
amul invite boy
child ila moy nan ka move it ka move scope fest and still follow that play the 2019 2020 ST I disul na da play February you can understand this scope fest because we were saying at the excuse no I can't play by force
hey scope muntu
copy na disul data ST data aka da video
finally 129 final 129
you can understand
go fan flow ala ko jede
ntol so estime ngene kata video sur Sénégal ban
final 129
fama ngene kata
ikafo
fama ngene wala hajul
fama ngene kata boy fada
estil hajol ti boy estil hajol na tata ta na man da mala hajol
na rejisu ko ke no kan be
business di boy moro okay
wala na message ninga wala free citizen ninga sono la
get answer there
no
ama invite
okay
disul invite bang for ma invite
ama invite disul mera tala sola esio sola
child mbatu ba
sai
sila mkata wa disul kidala boy kidala sola
boy ali so nga jang
child ngabra lamen tol fol kanyo saba men na janga bantale nyi ko bantale
ilo no ka esio mo so
music ngabra to ko music on business on
mama ay juzul wotonye ma attack ni major wala
ay mama jana boy alkana multu ko mama mune yake mama
baba
child boy ila live control ba
gato boy
ita control boy ita control mo nyaati ita control boy boy ba annanga diamu ni music wala bari kana artist disrespect boy ajube il faut ko molon kala ka si janka ko
ay disrespect ko di jam boy ni be kam fale di nyama
no boy amanke kam fa ko just comme ça drong ko nyin kana tension ni no ni mu kacha ko ti mi alo
no what here is
el karamul baraliga karamul baraliga karamul suki damboy
but disrespect
disrespect la disrespect
la mo ba mo nale gisul disrespect nale gisul disrespect ba disrespect la
mbesi disrespect wala bije
ala disrespect ala jubi
amam big disul
almanga bibele ko batele bala adelman
amam big disul amam big disul ti boy
alma mo dande bro
te defo ngedam ka jamono ite
ñimuga fem fo
ali sapiano
so bara sapiano edum bara
man ne ka bangolo fa amam biga
ñimuga fem fo
ito mo dahal la jaram boy ato ko do gis kala ko gis jindi boy ablo
dem la de mam dem ite musique la mo commencé war
ako ete la sadi do ako danno dole be je dada ko ndrom faada nata
ay ida boni dem so
atul me ako boy kabul estibo stro ko mo na manda sula wa mo batal la jam ato kabul estibo stro ko 2013 2014 mo na manda ko atul
by dem
ato ko mo na manda
always nini better TikTok na ko elanyil kala ku
dokira estira sola boy atolo 2013 2014 na manda atolo
elanyil
kabul estiker estira ka ban gra jam mo le
dem ete musique le mo commencé sa doka ete de animation
atolo
téléphone start signing
gani mo le jam
doka téléphone start signing ete ajibe ba
dem la ha
asambali time
ay ndaga tonya la faale ndaga parado ko man ndaga parado ko man ndaga selena
ke pare jumal ka man so do ko
ndaga diamol siara ala diamol siara
child ntol ma
ato boy sapiano ñewol boy Steve Fancy ak 18 Fancy tay boy ñi ki tanga de boy ay de jaw Yeah,
xam nga comme xam nga luy deal bi boy comme leena la bëgg a wax boy comme ndol be we are here for one thing, that is the music industry, you know, to be at the next level and higher level. Yeah, I understand. And then secondly, for ndol be mu keba leti like yalong come yelling to one another will never come to an understanding. Exactly. Yeah, I understand. So it's either you listen to your partner for you to able to learn something and also able to share what your, you know, like idea and what your thoughts are. Then the conversation will be so much interesting, and then people will able to understand what is going on. I understand. They like, you know, since day one, like I will always say this, you know, me as a DJ, I support all Gambian artists, and I respect all Gambian artists, and I respect what they are doing, and I love what they are doing, and appreciate what they are doing. I understand it because we are here for them. Yeah. You know, no matter whatsoever happen, we are here for Gambia. And topic on Benjamin, though it is interesting, but people don't understand it. Yeah? ST and Jizzle, they both have their ways, and everybody is playing on his own part because they have different parts, they have different role, they have different style. They understand it, and they have different ambitions and different dreams, bro. So if we are to understand what it means, you know, to this, it will be very, very important. So ST Tata Jizzle Soto, Amanda Jizzle Soto is not a minus or a plus for Jizzle. Jizzle is having whatsoever he's gonna have. Jizzle Tata ST Soto, Amanda ST Soto, vice versa. You know, it's not a plus or a minus. ST is having whatsoever he's gonna have. Yeah, I understand. But if you come to be realistic, yeah, I understand the child. Like, let's say both of them.
Boy, child, boy, ita nyi mood la bang, boy. Ni amantra wanyo kono boli tuwa.
Like both of them is like it's interesting. Nde niaje like concerto be caring. I don't see Jizzle on ST's album. Like nobody knows what is the thing happening between them. And Jizzle concert, you don't see ST. There is a reason. Yeah, I understand it. But if like for example you walk up to like for example is Jizzle is doing an album launching, him and ST, there is no, you know, fermentary tema like Jizzle said, and also like ST, because I think Gambian artist man problem sort of. So through me, if I told Jizzle walk to ST personally, you know, because they are both in the Gambia, they both have vehicles, they are both big men, they can fuel their own cars and whatsoever. Walk up to your brother because ST is your brother. No matter what happened, ST is older than Jizzle. You know, when Jizzle have his own artists like ST, if you don't send an invitation letter, I think it's important if you show, you know, yourself through, you know, at his door, it will be much more appreciated and it's much more respected. And then also ST will never turn down that invitation because you walk up to him, you know, with respect and manners and dignity, and then put away all the egos. If that I have this and I want to put you on the list. ST will have a show at the same thing. Also, if ST also to walk up to Jizzle as same, you know, brotherhood and same a win for Gambia, because ST and Jizzle on one stage is a win for Gambian music.
Yeah, but that's what ST say. He say he have invited this guy, you know. The guy said no, he is not invited on the song.
Okay, if ST said he invited Jizzle.
ST ya for mintole child. La fa ko. No.
Okay.
Kana kumo for ST mam mem for. No, child. Kana kumo for ST mam mem for. Nyina problem modi. No, Sapiano.
Yeah.
Sapiano. Inimbara ila kuma kasi sahaya da correcta. Ya jele kabirin sel da jam freestyle.
Lolo.
Ya jele kabirin sel. Kisen sono ba.
Ita mulka.
No.
Ita la kuma ko kore. Ita mo la mo no la bo.
Bax aso diamu.
Bax yala be nyaminga yala.
Non demandara diamu ka.
Yala be nyaminga comme nte kala fle like ni molbe conversation no sotola. we try to learn and also help the listeners to know what is happening. Because because when you hear a debate and what makes a conversation interesting is either one party is gonna disagree, to make sure everybody is gonna scratch your brain, to bring out the best out of you, to make the conversation look more spontaneous and also much more interesting. So like I think the argument is nice and interesting, but also the argument have to be, in a respectful and disciplined way. Because
and fair.
Yeah, ndolbemo brother soleti.
Thank you so much. Sapiano, ya jele problemo manke multi melka selenande. Problemo mo platform tiyo falti menka da chalti. Ya understand. Afo dem sen so ngadiam. No, please. Child. Sente bendela la dem nyanda fem fula be na pare dan sina dia.
So sani.
Abukata wo nyama de.
No, so sani dem you can talk.
Dige.
Yeah.
Boy. Dige nye be su jane boy.
Dige.
Yeah.
Ngere video jele. Est album bon. Album bon jale.
Ndawo do go dula do balen so 2 minutes.
Ay, jango boy. Ba mu lay mo la moy.
Jango yalla moy
jango mo leso.
Ndakana
gina defend ni esile defend mo dan.
Dige.
Why
Sapiano yalo ñi debate ñi aba kole abala le
aba kole ala because of
na duma meli yalo ko be la moy rola ila fa famo senema ya ja kabri de sen
rewo mëna fole mo sinal mo ma jam
na lafta senema
ide bu gela moy you are out of the system now. Because you don't bring something on
no. Child, but atakela o nyama de boy, gali tar diam la boy, molbe deri bo fonete de boy.
No, bare ni yella moy le se jabi ro kenu.
Pram banda ba. Ide la moy
yalo.
But if na malo ne be mono fola boy.
No, Sapiano, ita ba diam kana with knowledge. I can understand. Kuno defana na into people na boy. Ndo nyanda trailer. Mo mo tam to nya mindi na deal. I can understand.
Yeah.
Ni article be ka molla moy la,
Nige yalo.
Me be ba tigre dollar. But mo tam to nya mindi na wala to nya dia la.
Child.
Yeah.
Ndam mo min sifa ya ñu la ko amante jaxal li te paré ta dega ngalo ne ñu mo wo crédit ko so ñul
no koto
mais